Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, the video you're about to see is the Unity Wreath Collab 2020. Now, this is a collaboration that was the brainchild of two lovely YouTube sisters, Penny of At Penny's Place and Stacy of Styling with Stacy. Now, it was on their hearts that we come together and create Unity Wreaths, because what do we need more than anything right now? We need unity. We definitely do. So I wanted to participate, and guys, you're going to see how I used some items that basically Dollar Tree items, things that I already had in my home from different projects to create my version of a Unity wreath. So I'm going to stop talking and put on some music, let you watch me put this wreath together, and I'll come back at the end. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This is my completed wreath. You'll see that I used the blue and yellow. I decided not to add any other colors. And I've used a couple of butterflies rather than bows, just to add a little extra embellishment. They were the right color, and they were from Dollar Tree, some butterflies that I had from another project. you'll see that I've filled in all around the wreath. And, you know, really, guys, this is just a judgment thing. I just start placing flowers and randomly, and then I fill in, you know, wherever I think I need it, kind of hold it up and look for places where I might put extra flowers. So this is how it turned out. I hope you like it. And this is a really easy project. If you've never made a wreath before, I promise you it's easy to do. So I hope you try your hand at it. And again, before I let you go, I just want to thank again the ladies who hosted this collab. And it is Penny and of At Penny's Place and Styling with Stacy. And again, of course, her name is Stacy. Make sure that you visit both of their channels as well as the playlist. And guys, remember, it's all about unity. So that's all I have for you today. And I thank you so much for watching. And like I say at the end of every video, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.